In this video, I am going to show you how to delete all search history on Google in just few simple steps. For this tutorial, I am using desktop. You can do this same way on iPhone and Android device. First of all, open Google Chrome browser. Make sure you are logged in with your account, and then in the top right corner, click on your profile icon. Here you will see your Gmail. Click on manage your Google account. Now click on data and privacy. Scroll down under history setting. Here is web and app activity. Click on that. Scroll down a bit. Now click on manage all web and activity. Now here is the delete option. Click on the delete drop down menu and select all time. Choose activity of delete. Click on select all if this box is unselected, and then click on next. Confirm you would like to delete following activity. You selected app and web activity will be deleted permanently. Now click on delete. Now click on got it. Here all the search history and activity deleted from Google. That's how we can delete all the activity and search history from Google. If this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel for more tech video.